backup protection, it is provided by adjacent protection zone protective system. म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये इकडे येईल busbar protection आणि इकडे येईल earth fault protection. So this is busbar protection that is provided, earth fault protection is provided. पुढच्या डायग्राम मध्ये we have explained this. So here you are having, okay, in this diagram you can see number 1, that is adjacent protection zone, line protection. Number 2, that is busbar protection zone. And number 3, that is alternator, backup, overcurrent, earth fault protection. Right? So now here this classification is according to the fault on line. This is a classification based on the fault on line. इथे लाईनवर फॉल्ट आहे, त्या लाईनच्या जवळचं जे लाईन प्रोटेक्शन आहे दॅट इज अ प्रायमरी प्रोटेक्शन. ओके. नंबर 2 बॅकअप प्रोटेक्शन, नंबर 3 बॅकअप प्रोटेक्शन. आता जर अल्टरनेटर बॅकअप प्रोटेक्शन जर आपण फॉल्ट इथे घेतला अल्टरनेटरवर, तर दिस विल बी प्रायमरी प्रोटेक्शन फॉर अल्टरनेटर, दिस विल बी सेकंडरी प्रोटेक्शन, दिस विल बी टर्शियरी प्रोटेक्शन. लक्षात येत आहे का? हॅलो. मग फॉल्ट जर इथं आहे तर पहिलं कुठलं ऑपरेट व्हायला पाहिजे? दिस लाईन प्रोटेक्शन. दुसऱ्यांदा बसबार प्रोटेक्शन. जर हे ऑपरेट नाही झालं, जर ते नाही झालं तर अल्टरनेटिव्ह प्रोटेक्शन. ओके. सो सिक्वेन्स ऑफ ऑपरेशन इज 1 2 3. ओके. Any doubt regarding this? Okay, very good. नसेल तर चांगलंच आहे. Then earth fault protection of alternator. Residual earth fault relay, it is shown over here. Earth fault protection of alternator, here it is mentioned. This is earth fault relay. So this is earth fault protection of alternator. Diagram or residual earth fault relay. This is alternator winding, star connected, neutral point grounded. Any doubt? This is current supplied by R phase, Y phase, B phase, IR, IY, IB. This is earth fault relay. Whenever you are having the star connected winding, CT secondaries are connected in star. Okay. CT secondaries are connected in star. So secondary 1 2 3 star, secondary 1 2 3 म्हणजे 1 1 dash 2 2 dash 3 3 dash. So all 3 dash are connected. 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash connected in star. 1 2 3 connected in star, and earth fault relay is connected. Now what is residual earth fault? Now in this case, whenever there is a balance condition, you can write, whenever there is a balance condition, balance and unbalance you know correctly. काय माहिती आहे तुम्हाला बॅलन्स अनबॅलन्स विषयी? So what we are having? We can write equation for balance condition. That is current flowing through R phase IR. Okay. Then current flowing through Y phase. Kai IY. Current flowing through B phase, that is IB, right? IR, IY and IB. In balance condition, what we are having? In balance condition, this is equal to 0. So that is, this is a vector sum, and IR, IY, IB are the vector. So vector sum equal to 0. This is balance condition. This is a balanced condition, right? Now whenever there is a problem means there is a fault. What happens? No longer this IR, IY, IB in fault. If there is a fault, on alternator winding, what happens? Either IR or IB or IC, IR, IY, IB never remains same. Not, therefore there is a vector difference or scalar difference also. The sum of this current, that is called as residual current. Now residual current in earlier case it is 0, in faulty case it is not 0. So this residual current flows through secondary of CT and finally through the relay. Okay, and when this current flows through the relay operates to close the trip circuit, and trip circuit will initiate circuit breaker operation to isolate the alternator, right? समझलाय का? Okay. Then you can have another provision that you can provide relay here in this case also. इथे पण आपण हे protection provide करू शकतो. You can have earth fault relay. You can have the provision of earth fault relay between neutral and ground of alternator. The case is also same. Whenever there is a normal condition, IR plus IY plus IB equal to 0. But whenever there is abnormal condition, that means whenever there is a fault with alternator winding, IR plus IY plus IB is not equal to 0. So current flows through neutral wire. So that flows through CT secondary. So current will flow through earth fault relay, and relay will operate to open the circuit breaker. Okay, initiate the circuit. So this is called unrestricted earth fault protection. There is no any restriction particularly. Whenever current flows through secondary, relay operates. Whenever current increases through earth circuit, relay operates. Okay. Any doubt? Hello. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Then one more protection, that is unrestricted. Now this is restricted earth fault protection in case of alternator. तुम्हाला समजतंय का रे सगळ्यांना? Restricted earth fault protection. Diagram दिसते सगळ्यांना? Now this is a restricted earth fault relay connected. Restricted earth fault relay connected. So here you are having the current limiting resistor connected in the earthing circuit. Alternator, this side is star connected. Neutral is grounded through current limiting resistor. Alternator stator winding RYB connected to bus bar. CTs are connected on either sides of alternator stator winding. CT1, CT1 dash, CT2, CT2 dash, CT3, CT3 dash. these primaries are connected in star, sorry, secondary cities are connected in star. This secondary of all three cities are connected in star, and this is connected through current limiting resistors and restricted earth fault relay. The secondary second terminals of all cities are connected through restraining coils 1 to 1 dash, 2 to 2 dash, 3 to 3 dash. An operating coil is connected. This is differential protection. So operating coil, it is connected here in between neutral point and secondary terminals of cities. You got the connections, city secondary connections. Now normal condition is there, no doubt. When fault occurs on winding, there is an imbalance of current. Normally IR plus IY plus IB is not equal to 0. That flows through the operating coil. And earth fault relay. हाच कुठून होणार आहे? अर्थ फॉल्ट रिले. Okay. Thus, restricted earth fault relay operates to trip the trip signal or to operate or complete the trip circuit, and trip circuit will operate to open the circuit breaker. So, why it is called as restricted earth fault protection? Why this is called as restricted earth fault protection? This is restricted earth fault protection because why? There is a current limiting resistor. इथे एक रेजिस्टन्स दिलेला आहे, बरोबर ना? You can set the value of fault current through secondary of this, and only the current exceeds more than that, then the relay will operate. तसं इथे दिलेलं नाही. इथे दिलेलं आहे का? नाही. अर्थ फॉल्ट रिले इथे तुम्हाला इथे दिलाय का? ग्राउंड रिले दिलाय का? नाही दिलं. ओके. But here restriction is given, so that is called as restricted earth fault protection. काही शंका असेल तर विचारा.